All right, I have a pretty simple way that you can chat with different web pages for free. All right, so if you don't know what this is, let me tell you real quick. My name is Jordan Wilson, and I'm the host of Everyday AI. We're a daily live stream podcast, free daily newsletter helping everyday people use and understand generative AI. So I wanted to talk real quick about a recent update to a tool that I've talked about maybe once before called Writingmate. So this is a Chrome extension, and it allows you to interact with basically anything that you're doing inside of Chrome. So the unfortunately, it is a paid product. However, there's some little workarounds that you can actually get some good results with the free one, and it's limited to 30 messages a day. So if you don't need something to, write you something 100, 500 times, there's actually some nice little workarounds for this. So you can check out the pricing there on the page, but I'm going to go ahead and just jump in and show you how it works. So now I have actually, this is our article from yesterday, our podcast, when we talked to Enam Hulk about law, AI and law. So it was a fantastic conversation. So what you'll see now is the Writingmate extension. Actually, let me move my my screen over here so we can see it a little more closely. So it's in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen down there. So let me, it's a little small, so we'll zoom in a little bit right there. So it's down there in the lower right-hand corner, or you can hit Command M and bring it up. So like I said, unfortunately, a lot of the better features, which I think are noteworthy, are for paid only. So you do have to have a monthly plan. And this is where I think you can really get some great value. So you can extract information into a table, write an essay based on this page, suggest presentation slides based on this page, and also create, it has a DALL-E 3 integration as well. So you can, based on what's on the page, you can create DALL-E 3 or just type in something as well. But a nice little workaround that you can do is you can actually just highlight anything on the page. So as an example, I'm going to go ahead and highlight. So this is just the podcast transcript from yesterday. So I'm going to just highlight just the beginning part. And you'll see right away over here on the right-hand side, whatever I highlight, it automatically brings it if I have the extension active. And then at that point, I can say make shorter, make longer, simplify, translate, or more. And then you have a couple other options here. So I'm just going to say simplify. All right, so now it's taking the beginning of the transcript, which is usually just me welcoming people to the show, but I also go over the AI news for the day. So the great thing is you can highlight a big chunk, right, of text or anything, and you can still summarize something and have a discussion. It just requires one extra step. And again, you still have your 30 free messages for the day. So now I can still chat with whatever I highlighted there. So as an example, I see right here, I was talking yesterday about Meta and advertisers. So I can say, what does it mean that Meta is requiring advertisers to disclose AI use? Okay, so I can have a question, and based on both the large language model, which is GPT 3.5. And if you have the paid version, you can upgrade to GPT-4 Turbo, which is nice. But by default, you can still tap into GPT 3.5 and use that information, as well as what is in your kind of magic chat right here, or your Writingmate chat to do that. So pretty simple. And then I can also say, rewrite this in a fun, engaging tone, right? So there we go. So many great use cases for this. And again, I think that there's great paid features, but even the free features as well, if you don't need it a lot, if you're just doing something quick and maybe you don't want to jump into, Chat GPT or Bard or something else. I think Writingmate is an easy way to quickly, rephrase or have conversations with a website just by doing that little copy and paste workaround. So I hope this was helpful. If so, please go to youreverydayai.com, sign up for that free daily newsletter. Also, join us live. We go live every single weekday, Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And subscribe to this YouTube as well. I think I'm supposed to say that, right? All right. Hope to see you back for another AI in 5. Thanks, y'all.